This video is the intro to interconverting functional groups using substitution and elimination reactions. So we're finally down to the nitty-gritty real chemistry. And more specifically, we're looking at organic synthesis. Organic synthesis is the art of converting a chemical you have into a chemical you need. This can be something simple as converting your fresh slice of bread into toast, or converting condensed milk into caramel, to something like converting a tub of methanol into something like, well, heroin, because why not? It might take lots of steps, but it can be done. Why would you do any of these changes? Well, usually it's because you are starting with something that is very abundant and easy to obtain and cheap, and you are making something that you can either sell for profit or just literally make profit off. Organic synthesis is literally the chemical industry, the pharmaceutical industry, or any materials industry. In the next bunch of videos, we will just cover how to convert certain functional groups into other functional groups using substitution and elimination reactions. These are the fundamental conversions, but be aware that this is just the intro pretty much. There is so much more with organic synthesis. Consider this the Pandora's box having been opened.